In this video, I will show you step by step how to resize Windows 11 font size manually. So if you do want to make your text bigger or smaller on your laptop or computer, so your screen is easier to read and more comfortable to use, then be sure to watch this full tutorial as I show you how to do this. And if this video does help, then please consider leaving a like on the video, commenting and subscribing for more simple Windows 11 and tech-based tutorials. Now to do this, what you want to do from your desktop is come down and click onto your Windows Start icon just down here. Then what you want to do is click to open your settings. If you don't see it in your pinned apps, you can use the search box at the top, type settings, and then open up your settings underneath best match. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto system. And once you're in your system, what you want to do is come and click onto display. Now from here, what you can do is change the scale. So if you come down to scale and layout and change the scale down here, you can make the text as well as apps and other items bigger or smaller. Now if you want to change just the font size, if you actually come back to the menu on the left hand side, what you want to do is click onto accessibility, and on here you're going to see an option for text size at the top. Give that a click, and from here you're going to see a slide bar underneath text size where you can drag this to change the size of the words. Once you're happy with your changes, go ahead, click the apply button. It's just going to take a minute or two to apply the changes, and as you can see now, the text is a lot bigger. So that is how to resize the Windows 11 font size manually. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.